This is a jobcost.com video tutorial on how to enter or edit a change order. In the main cabinet, go to Job Cost, click on Change Order List. To create a new change order, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing change order, click on the job from the change order list next to the change order name ID you want to open. When entering or editing the change order information, be sure to fill out anything with a red asterisk or the change order will not save. All other fields can be utilized on a per change order basis. Choose the job from the drop-down. Enter the change order ID. This is alphanumeric up to 10 characters. Enter the change order name. This is alphanumeric up to 40 characters. Enter the change order entry date and change order status date. Choose the change order status from the drop-down, pending, approved, or rejected. When done entering new change order, click Save. This will then generate an additional page tab at the top of the screen called Change Order Estimates. To add a change order estimate, click the blue Add button. To edit an existing change order estimate, click on the job from the change order estimates next to the phase and cost type you want to open. Select the job, phase, cost type, and change order from the drop-downs. Enter the units, unit of measure, price per unit, and amount. Click Save when done entering job phase estimate for this change order. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new job phase estimates for this change order. Click Save and Close if done entering new job phase estimates for this change order, and it will close the current job phase estimates tab, taking you back to the change order estimates screen for this change order.